Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick video on the SmittyBilt limb riser kit. As you can see here, I've had this on my JK for about, I don't know, about 3 years now. And so first I kind of wanted to point out I did something different up here. This is a light bar that I have installed. So I attached this bracket, which comes with a limb riser kit, directly to the light bar. And so if you don't have this, you're going to have to attach it differently. But I did this way, and as you can see, it's pretty secure, although most of it's being held in by the tension along this. And so what I like about this is the hardware is really lasted, and you don't really find that in a lot of kits. So SmittyBilt did a good job on this one. I know there's other limb riser kits, especially from China, that just do not last. You can see the adjusting part here is not rusted or given way. And like I've said, I've had this in the Florida humid weather for a long time. Here's where it mounts on the part of the hood. Pretty easy. You just take this part out from the hood, which are just some nuts on the inside of the hood. And as you can see, I have some fender armor here, but I actually have these installed with some bushwhacker flares, and they'll work with the stock flares too. So both sides, it looks pretty good as it comes up to the top there. And I get a lot of comments, mostly people asking me, what in the heck are these for? And I thought I'd never use them, ever. But I've used these so many times, keeping actual limbs off the vehicle. And mostly it's when I'm pulling into a parking lot with trees, and it just kind of moves them right out of the way. So one thing though is kind of annoying is when you lift the hood. I'm going to do that now. So there's the under mounting side where you mount it from the bottom of the hood. But as you can see, whenever you pull the hood up, it kind of kinks and does some weird things, but normally it's not an issue. It just goes away once you put the hood down. But for looks, great kit. For function, beautiful, works great. And for wear and tear, highly recommended. It lasted a long time, more than most parts I have, and something I highly recommend. So the limb riser kit from SmittyBilt.